If you're getting CapCut Error 22, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your project exporting again. This error usually shows up when CapCut has trouble with performance settings, cached files, or a corrupted clip in your timeline. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without starting your project over. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in on that. First, we'll start with the easiest fix, which is adjusting your performance settings. Open CapCut and go to the menu, then click Settings. If you're on a PC, you may see a settings gear icon instead. Once the settings panel opens, look for the performance section. Inside performance, you'll see an option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. This feature can sometimes cause export problems, especially if your system or project is not handling it well. Uncheck that option, then click Save. After that, go back to your project and try exporting again. In many cases, turning off hardware encoding is enough to stop error 22 and let the export complete normally. If the error is still there, move on to the next method, which is clearing your app cache. Over time, CapCut can store temporary files that become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with exporting. To clear the cache on desktop, go back into Menu, then Settings, and find the Cache section. From there, choose the option to clear your cache. Give CapCut a moment to remove those temporary files, then restart the app if needed. Once it opens again, load your project and test the export one more time. Clearing cache is a simple fix, but it often solves strange performance issues like error 22 because it gives the app a clean start. Now, if you're still running into the same issue, the problem may be one specific clip, transition, or effect in your timeline. This is where we isolate corrupted clips. Start by exporting your video in smaller sections instead of trying the full project all at once. For example, export the first half, then the second half, and narrow it down until you find the exact area where the export fails. Once you identify the section causing the problem, look closely at the clips, transitions, and effects in that part of the timeline. Delete the clip that seems to be breaking the export, then re-import that clip again, or replace the transition if that's what's causing the issue. If needed, remove any heavy effects, filters, or overlays in that section and test again. After that, try exporting the full video one more time. This method is especially useful when error 22 is caused by a damaged media file or a transition CapCut can't process properly. So to quickly recap, if CapCut error 22 is blocking your export, first turn off speed, up hardware encoding in performance settings, then clear your app cache, and finally isolate any corrupted clips by exporting in smaller sections. One of these fixes usually gets the job done. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more CapCut fixes, editing tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.